All right, good day. My name is Coach Salisu, Advanced Broker, Royal QT Motion International. This session is centered on two to three things. Now, I'll start with the RQTMI change percent tactics. What does it mean? You are a newbie in Royal Q. You just activated your bot and you want to go to the crypto spot market, whatever exchange you're using to place, use what you have been taught to pick a trade. So the first thing first is, after you've activated your bot, based on RQTMI style of trading, the first thing you learn is the RQTMI chain percent tactics. What's the meaning of RQTMI? I'm referring to Royal QT Motion International. Every team in Royal Q has their style, has their way of picking trades on the crypto spot market. This is our style of picking trade. Once you activate your bot, a newbie that just activated their bot, this is what RQTMI recommends you do. First thing is learn how to pick trade using the RQTMI change percent tactics. How does it work? There are 25 coins that is recommended by Royal QT Motion International. These 25 coins, you will gain access to this coin. You go to TradingView, go to your Play Store or App Store, download TradingView, install in your phone, create an account, and add the 25 coins, which I will do here in your presence to guide you, right? I'm going to share my screen to show you what I mean. These 25 coins are coins that have their own personal blockchain. Why? It shows that it is difficult for any exchange to delist such kind of coin. So these are the things you learn. The first thing you learn once you activate your bot. I'm going to share my screen now. I want to believe you all can see my screen. Bashir, confirm if you can see my screen.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
we
see
can
your screen.
see us. So,
Okay, so you go to your Play Store, download TradingView. Once you download TradingView, Play Store or App Store, download TradingView, install, then you create an account with TradingView. This is how it is. Now let's say I've downloaded the TradingView. I go to my Play Store, TradingView, type TradingView, like this, TradingView. TradingView, install it on your phone, then you create an account. How do you create an account? You can see this is what you will see once you install the app on your phone. This is what you will see. See S&P, Nasdaq. These are Tesla stock and indices, forex pairs. We're not doing that here. Then you tap on menu. Tap on this menu. See, you tap on it. When you tap on that menu, you want to create an account. Then you tap on sign in. See it. Sign in. Right? Are you signing in with your email? If yes, it's up to you. Right? So if I'm signing in with an email, I would email, sign up. You tap on sign up. Now, as you are signing up, are you signing with an email? Yes. Type on email. Now, I want to use this email. I want to copy this my email here. It's loading. Give it some time. Let's give it some time. Okay, so it's just a site that you use to create a temporary email. So I'll just paste my email here. Sorry, this is my username. Let's say I want to use username RQT Royal Q. This is my email. My password 2025. Let me use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my password. Create an account. Okay, I think I'm having issues here. All right, so once you've created an account, then you come back here, come back to the watch list. You see the watch list that you're seeing here? This is how you see it. All right? Drag it to the left. Each of these pair, long press and drag it to the left. See, I long press and I drag it to the left. See what you chose? Remove it. Remove all of them. Okay. That's how you do all of them. I've not created an account. That's why you see it showing this. Right? Remove all of them. All these coins that you see, remove it. I don't want to use my email. I already have one. Remove all the pairs. All the pairs, remove it. You see? That's how you long press and remove all of them. The next thing you do after you've done that is to add. Then you tap on add symbol. Add symbol. Once you tap on add symbol, it takes you to this place. Then you look at the list of the 25 coins that will be sent to you by your upline. Your upline would have gained access to it from the group, right? The first name of the coin on the list is ADA, ADA. Then you type USDT. You see it, right? Then you tap on the one, because if you're using Binance, as your exchange, you look at the one that has Binance. You look at the one that has Binance, then you tap on the plus sign. Plus sign. You see it? You tap on the one that has plus sign. That's how you add. Once you tap it, it will be added to the list. The next one is CFX USDT. CFX. You see CFX USDT. You make sure you look at the one that has Binance. The one that has Binance. If you are using Binance as your exchange, if you are using HTX as your exchange, you look for the one that has HTX and tap on the plus sign. See, because I'm using Binance, tap on the plus sign. That's how you do it, one by one, until you reach the 25th coin. There are 25 in number. Now, the free version of TradingView allows you to add only 25 coins. It allows you to have only 25 coins. If you want to go beyond that, you have to pay. So you can decide to restrict yourself to just 25 coins. Simple. This is how your trade will look like. See them? This is how you see it, 25 in number. All of them have their own blockchain, so it's difficult for an exchange to delist, and they have community and they have volume of trade. USDT on the coin is high on the high side, so it's difficult for an exchange to delist it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how your coin will look like. Now, how do you trade with them? How do you trade? How do you look at them and trade? You are not using indicator here. Neither are you using any other thing. The only thing you make use of is numbers. In our secondary school, we were taught -1, -2, -3, -4, like that, etc. This is just numbers you look at. Before I continue to show you this for newbie that just activated their bots. Keep it simple. Don't complicate things. Right? Are you guys following what I'm saying? If you're on this call and you're following what I'm saying, type a yes on the chat. Type a yes on the chat. If you are following what I'm saying, type a yes on the. Keep it very simple. Don't go and say I want to teach this them, I want to teach them trend line. It's up to you. This is Royal QT Motion International. This is our style of teaching a newbie that have never done anything cryptocurrency before. This is the first time he's doing it, right? After he has mastered this easy way of making money, he can now grow to 2 indicator tactics, grow to longer time frame entry, short time frame entry, then pro strategy. Then you can now go to advanced trading tactics, RQTMI advanced trading tactics, where you can make more money than the one person that has the knowledge of the basic knowledge of trading. This is just the basic knowledge of trading where you need indicators to pick your trade. So I'm glad I can see everybody is learning. This is what you teach if you want to build a team. Remember, it is not obligatory for you to build a team. You can put your money on RoyalQ and be trading and make money. That's the beauty of this business. You don't need to refer anybody to make money. And that's why we refer to it as the best business as far as online business is concerned. This is the best business you can find on the surface of the earth. Online, because your capital is 100% in your custody. You don't send your money to anybody. Even RoyalQ, your money is not in RoyalQ. That's the beauty of it. And you can never lose money because you are trading spot market. You are trading spot market. It goes down and up. You buy when it goes down, you sell when it goes up. The robot will do the job for you. So I'm glad I can see everybody is saying yes. That means everybody is following. Okay. Now we go back again. How do you trade? How? You've added all the coins. You now know how to add them. You've added all the pairs. How do you trade? Remember, if you want to go beyond 25, you have to pay. If you want to go beyond 25 coins, there are 300 and so far there are 375 or so, because they've delisted some 5 coins. You have 375 coins so far in RoyalQ, if I'm not mistaken. In RoyalQ, 375 so far, not 376. Now, once you want to place a trade, you come to your trading view. This is free version. You're not paying anything. 25 coins. 25 good coins that is difficult for it to be delisted on the exchange. Right? Now, if you want to pick a trade, you just open your trading view. Right? You just open your trading view. Once you open it, at the top left, see, there are 3 dots you see here. 3 dots. See it? Tap on it. Then you tap on sort by. See it? Sort by. Then you tap on sort by change percent. Sort by change percent. You see it? You can see it has arranged the coin according to the one that have fallen in price. You see? Minus. See, this one is having minus 0.13%, minus 0.04%. This one is plus 0.08%, plus 0.23%. You see them? When you go back and repeat the same process again, once you open it, tap on that 3 dots. Tap on sort by. Sort by. Tap on sort by change percent. You can see it has arranged the coins from in a descending order from the highest to the lowest. You can see the price. This one has risen the past for the past 24 hours. It has done 6%. See, plus 6.58%. This one is plus 6.24%, plus 4.85%, plus 3.98%. You see, plus, see them? You see them? Now, you are not trading when you see it going up. You go back again, arrange it, tap on that 3 dots, rearrange it according to the ones that have fallen the price, based on the one that have fallen the price the most. So let's go back again, tap on that 3 dots. When you do it again, tap on sort by. Tap on sort by change percent. You see it? It has arranged it according to the one that fallen in price. See it? Now, you trade when you see any, once you arrange it like this, from the one that have fallen the price the most, like this. Once you arrange it like this, from the lowest to the highest, you can see this is the lowest, going like that to the highest, down to the highest. You look, ignore this first one. Ignore this first one. You start with the second. Which one is having -3 and below? When I say -3, once you see this one that is saying, you cannot trade now because there is no anyone that is showing -3. You are looking for -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, like that. From that -3 is what you are looking for. Once you see it, aside this one, the one at the top here, anyone you see at the top, ignore it. Even if it's at -3, ignore it. Start with the one, this one that is here. Start with it. You just look, check around 6 p.m. Nigerian time or 10 p.m. Nigerian time. Once in a while, you check. I'm not saying often, you check. Once in a while if you want to pick a trade. Most of the time, I'm not saying always, that's when you see the coin will be falling in price. You want to buy low. Anybody that is into business wants to buy when the price is low, and when it goes up, you want to sell. So if you are looking for -3%, -4%, so you are looking for -3%, -4%, -5%, anyone like that. Starting from the second pair after you have rearranged it according to the one that fallen in the price. You can see this one is -0.1%, -0.07%. This one is plus. There is no anyone that has -3, or -4, or -5, or -6, or -7, or -8, or -9, or as long as it's -3 and below. You do not see anyone, so there is no trade now. You cannot trade based on these tactics. You cannot trade. And what will be your take profit when you have to place your trade? You remember, you must have saved your settings on your RoyalQ. You are coming here to check for a trade that you pick and command RoyalQ to trade it for you. Your take profit, whole position take profit. When you go back to your trade, RoyalQ, whole position take profit. This is what I'm referring to. Whole position take profit. Whole position take profit. So your whole position take profit. Sorry. If you must have saved your setting on your RoyalQ, your whole position take profit should not go beyond 3%. This is whole position take profit. You have saved the settings. If you don't know how to save settings, don't worry about that. We have a video on this session is just for you to know how to pick. Maybe next time we meet, I'll show you how to save settings. This is whole position take profit. You should not go beyond 3%. If you like, you can reduce it to below 3%, make it 1.5% if you want. You're kind of person that doesn't have patience, you can leave it 1.5%. From between 1% and 3%, don't go beyond 1% to 3%. Simple. You can leave it at 1.3, 1.5, or 2%. It's up to you. But the thing is, don't just go beyond 3%. Simple. So if you're using that, save. That's all. That is all. It's already a setting that you have saved on your RoyalQ. You have saved it on your RoyalQ. See, this is a trade. Right? This is a trade that is picked, waiting for it to sell. USDT. You can see the take profit is 3. I understand. 3%. This one is 5%. So that's how you do it, my brother. You go back again. Once it sells, you come back here and check. Do you understand what I've shared? This is how you pick a trade. If it is dot that you use to trade, you go back to your RoyalQ and place the trade. For example, if I check here and I see that I cannot trade, you can see I can't trade dot. I can't trade any coin here. No any coin is having -3 for now. What? I didn't mean there's anyone that has -3 or -4, as long as it's -3 and below percent. I'm referring to these numbers here. This one here. This one is plus. As long as it's -3 and below. When I say below, meaning -4, -5, -6, go and trade it and take your 3%. Right? Now, look at it. If you have done that, you've come back here and you've checked and you've not seen any trade that has my negative -3 or below, what do you do next? But before I tell you what to do next, respond on the chat. Do you understand what I've shared? This is the first thing you learn. Respond on the chat with a yes or no. Do you comprehend what I've shared with you? Respond on the chat. If you don't comprehend, let me know so that I'll go back again and do it. Do you comprehend what I've shared? Respond with a yes or no. Respond with a. This is the first thing you learn. Remember, it's only restricted to those 25 coins is what you can do. This tactics is what you can use for only those 25 coins. Don't go and apply this on any other pair, any other coin, only these 25 coins. I'm referring to RQTMI 25 volatile coin. If you don't have it, request for it from your upline that brought you into this business. Request for it from that your upline. Your upline should have it. All right? Okay. Now, let's say you've come to that trading view and you have not. I'm referring to -3%, not -0.3. This 0.02 that you're seeing, it has because I'm referring to this number here. This number here. For now, it has not gone down. That's why you're seeing -0.11, -0.12%, plus 0.27%, plus 0.29%. It is the prices are going up. That's why. Sometimes you see -4, -5. This number is what I'm referring to. This one, see. Okay. Now let's say you've come to this place and you do not see any trade to pick, and you want to trade. The next thing you do as a newbie, just go to join the RQTMI cryptocurrency spot market WhatsApp channel. Ask your upline, he will send you the link, or she will send you the link. If you have joined, if you go to your WhatsApp, you will see it. See the WhatsApp. See, if you go to your WhatsApp, you will see it definitely. WhatsApp channel. See the WhatsApp channel? You will see signals. You see it? You will see signal. Anyone you do not see sold, as long as I am my student, I am my team members, our signal providers on this channel, we are 24/7 online. Anyone you see sold, you cannot trade it again. Once you see sold, you cannot trade that coin again. But as long as you have not seen sold on the, like for example, this is Dutch. You did not see sold. You did not see sold on it. It means it has not delivered. It has not delivered. Right? So you can see trade it and take your 3%. But how do you trade it and how do you confirm it? I'll show you. I'll show you. Anyone you do not see sold, you see, AVAX is a trade. You see the date that it was posted. You must ensure that you see the date that it was posted, right? And the time it was posted. See it. Take note of the date. If there is no date and time, don't look at it. Look at the one that has date. You are a newbie, look at the one that has date and has time that it was posted. See it, and you ask to take 3%. That same trading view, AVAX is the name of the coin, and this is the price you are to enter the trade. The price you are to enter the trade. Now, how do you go? 19.15. Let's go to AVAX. I will go to my trading view, AVAX. If I go to my trading view, AVAX, search for AVAX. You see AVAX? You see AVAX? See the AVAX? This is AVAX. You see it? It is among the 25 coins, right? So I just go, open it, I tap on it once. Then you tap on what? Then you tap on this area. You see it? Now, your trade will not look like this. Your color will not look like this. This is not how your trade will look like. I mean, your candles, it will not look like this. You will have to set it, right? You go to, you tap on this. There's a video that you need to watch to set your trading view. If I want to go through that rigorous process again, it's going to take us close to 30 minutes or 1 hour. And I don't want this session to go beyond 1 hour. But, however, the video is available on our channel. Go watch it to set up your trading view so that you'll be able to use the tools, right? Now, if you have done watching the video, now you just go straight and scroll down. You see this area. Scroll down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Right? When you scroll down to 30 minutes, then you go back to and check what date was the signal posted. It was posted on the 20th March 2025. And what time? 3:48. So I will just go to my trading view. See it? I go to my trading view, 30 minutes. If I go to my trading view, 30 minutes, I type on this. Tap on this, see it. Then I tap on the horizontal line. If you don't know how to, like I told you, watch that video on how to set up a trading so that you know how to use this. Then you tap on the horizontal line. See it? Tap on it. I bring it and just tap on it. Then bring it, tap again, go back to that place, go back to this place. Horizontal line, tap on it again 3 times. You need it 3. Then the third one, yeah, I think so. I think just 2 is enough. 2 is enough. Now, the first one that you inserted, which is this one here, and you tap on it, you see it shows this. It shows this. Right? Then you go tap on this. See the place I tap? Tap on it. Scroll down, tap on settings. When you tap on settings, you see what it will bring. Then you tap on coordinate. See coordinate. You want to insert the price, 19.15. See the price? The price is 19.15. See it? You want to insert the price. So you see here, you now tap 19.15. You see it? Then you tap on OK. See it? 19.15. Then this is the first 19.15. As you can see, it has gone straight to 19.15. See the price? 19.15. Now, what is the selling? From this place, I will now pick my price range. Pick my price range. The take profit is what? Let me remove this one so that I will not confuse you. I remove one so I'm not confused. See 19.15, you see? You've gotten where the signal, and which day? First, another thing is, before you continue, go back and pick the vertical line. Same place, tap on this. Tap on it, tap on the vertical line. Vertical line. It was stated 20th of March. That is the date, 20th of March. See, you see the date is showing here. See the date, Saturday 22. So you'll be moving in backward. Backward. Move the line backward. 20th of March. You see 20th of March? At exactly 3:48. So you can just, we are using 30 minutes. So 3:48, you can use 3:40. You're using 30 minutes. So we are looking for 3:48, 20th March. See, it's going, just be scrolling. You can see the time will be changing here. See the time, you'll be looking at 3:48, 20th of March. See, 3. You can just use 3, forget about the 48. Anytime you see there, if it is 3:50, ignore the 50, just take 3 o'clock. So I'm using 3. So you see, now it is from here you start to calculate. So you see, you've gotten the time it was posted from this line. Remember, I'm using 30 minutes. I am using 30 minutes. So you see, then I'll now go back. You can see this is the preset price, which is the price it was posted, price it was, you are expected to enter. Then you can now say, okay, the take profit is 3%. If you go back and check, the take profit is 3%. See, take profit 3%. So you just go back to your trading view, pick your price range, measure from here, from that 19.15. You see, if you don't know, like I say, you have to watch that video on how to use trading view first. I will share the video again on the group. See, if I bring this cross, I can bring it down to this place. Then tap on the cross, tap on the cross. When I tap on it, I drag it up 3%. Drag it up to 3%. So you see, 3% has delivered. So because it has delivered, I'll not trade it again. You can see. You can see. I didn't mean when I came here, I will show you another example. I will show you, pick another example that have not delivered. Then you will know where to enter from. Right? And what profit you should take. Do you get? This one has already delivered. So you can see how you follow the signal to come and check. Do you guys understand? I will pick another one that have not delivered so that you will. If you understand what I'm sharing with you, respond with the chat. Anytime you can use it, not any particular time, King Anthony. If you understand what I've shared with you, respond yes with the chat. Respond with a yes with the chat. Respond with a yes on the chat. If you understood what I've shared with you. But remember, it is only when you cannot find signal on the 25 volatile coin that I've shared that you come to the channel. And when you want to come use the trade on the channel, this is how you go about it. As a newbie, this is what you should do. If you are not interested in indicators to learn any, just follow this number. Simple. Only when you get used to it, you can now decide to what, and just start creating time to learn. Go to Play Store, download it. All right. So you can see this has already delivered. So you can continue with this. Let's go and check. Pick another one that have not delivered. Remember, you must ensure you check the date. So let's go and check. We have Doge. We have Doge. Doge, you did not see sold here. This one has already been sold. That's when you see us. We'll just come here. We'll see sold out. So Dutch is what you see. You not see. Let's say you come, you see the date 20th, and you see the price. Take profit. The time is 10:33 p.m. So you just go and look for it. Dutch, DOGE. Go to your trading view. Dutch, DOGE. Scroll down. Dutch. See Dutch. Same way, same process. You can see I just went and I tap on this Dutch, and I tap on it, and I tap on this. See it? It opened like this. Your might not look like this. Your trading view, this I decided to beautify my trading view, right? You can watch the video on how to set up trading view so that you make your set up your trading view. Now look for, use your vertical line. You all know where I go to. Vertical line, look for 20th of March. 20th of March, and what time? 10:33 p.m. This is 20th of March. I'm looking for 10:33 p.m. 20th of March, 10:33 p.m. You see, 10:33. So I'll use 10:33. I can use 10. Forget about the 33. 10 o'clock. See it? Then what is the entry price? Look at it. 0.1695. 0.1695, and the take profit is 3%. So I'll just go pick my horizontal line. Forget about it, remove this. Pick my horizontal line, just load it. Then when I load it, hit it on my chart. I tap on the line. When I tap on the line, you see it shows me this option. Then I will tap on this 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots. I scroll down. I tap on the settings. See it. When I tap on the settings, I go straight to coordinate. See coordinate, then I impute the price. What is the price? The price is 0.1695. 0.1695. So you see, it has showed me that is the entry price. So if you look at it, it has not delivered. Why? Since it was posted at exactly 20th of March, 10:30. I'm using 10. You see, no any candle has come. Now, okay, then this is the entry price. Let's calculate where it will go before we talk about it. You see, this is my 20th March. Price started coming down. Then let's calculate 3%. Take your price range, move it down to this place. You see this place there. From the current price, this is the price now. This is now the price. It has gone down. This is the current price. This is now the current price. You see it? This dash that dot you are seeing here. This is now the current price. Right? Now, if you measure from this current price now, you can even enjoy more. This is where you are supposed to enter, take the trade, this white line. But you can see the price has gone below it. So you just come to this current price, come to the entry price first. This is the entry price. See the entry price, I put it on my entry price. Measure 3%. Measure 3%. So you see 3%. It has, since it was posted on the 28th, it started coming down. You see it. It has not gone past this blue line. I use this blue line to demarcate where it should hit. If this candle go up and go past this blue line, it has delivered. But it has not since that time. Even if you find it here, it has not. So what do we do? It means if you enter this trade now, if you want to enter now, you can enter at this price. Now, because it is the current price is below this entry price. So if you enter now from this price, you need the candle to go up to go and touch. So you can see you are enjoying 3.5%, 3.6%. If it now deliver, or 3.5% if you deliver. Now you see, simple. Because no any candle has, since it was posted 10 p.m. No any, it started coming down. You can see it clearly. Let me zoom it so that you see. Let me remove this. You see it clearly. Started coming down from this place. Price started coming down. See it? It has not gone up to go past this line. Do you get? So you can trade it, take profit. So you're going to enjoy 3.5% from this. So you see, from your entry price. That's all. Another way you can go, do you guys grab what I'm saying? If you understand what I've just shared with you, respond with a yes on the chat. TradingView is the name of the app. TradingView, TradingVing. Let me type it. TradingView. TradingView is the name of the app. I've typed it. The name of the app is TradingView. Respond on the chat if you understand what I've just shared with you. Respond on the chat. I will show you another method you can do. You can use if you understand what I've just shared with you. This is for newbie that are just coming. You must have watched the video that will help you on setting up TradingView. All right. So respond on the chat. I'm still waiting for response on the chat if you understand what I've shared with you. So you see, because of you follow what I've just shared, you can see you can enjoy your 3.5%. 3.5%. Another way you can go about it is 0.16. Remember the entry price is 0.1695 and the take profit is 3%. You just go to your calculator. When you go to your calculator, the 3% which is the take profit, add 100 to it. You have 103%. Multiply by the entry price 0.1695. It gives you 0.1745. 0.1745. You can see. Like I say, the take profit is 3%. Add 100 to it, you have 103%. What is the entry price? 0.1695. It gives you 0.1745. Then you go back to your TradingView. Pick another line. Let me remove this or start again. Go back to your trade. You want to calculate the exit price. Go back, pick another horizontal line. Just paste it anywhere you like. Then go tap on it. Tap on the three dots. These three dots. This three dot here. Tap, scroll down, tap on setting. What is the price? 0.1745. 0.1745. 0.1745. 1745. So you see, now that is where it should go beyond for it to deliver. So you see, that's another way. Then you now look at the current price. This is the current price. If you find the trade here, as long as it has not come here, you can find the current candle, current price maybe around this place, as long as it has not gone past this line. It has not gone past this line. It has not delivered. So you can just put your price and measure. You can see 2%. You can still enter the trade because this is where we should enter, but it has gone beyond it. But it has not gone to deliver beyond this, to go past this line. So you can just measure from that current price and go and pick your trade, place your trade, 2%. But now you see the current price is even below. So you can enter, measure, pick your price range, measure from this place, see it, up to this place, you go enjoy, you can enjoy 3.5%. You see it, simple. and you go and place your trade. So instead of using whole position take profit as 3%, you will not 3%, you will now use 3.5% because you know how to do this. You follow these tactics. So I think we'll stop here without wasting much time. I want to just talk about small interest rates. Remember, the title of the session is Technical and Fundamental Analysis. There are 4 parameters. Okay, before I go into the fundamental, do you guys grab what I've just shared with you? The recording will be shared on the group for you to go through it. Okay, Bashir, help me to share the WhatsApp channel link so that if those that have not joined. Okay, I will repeat the calculation. I say the whole position take profit if it is 3%, whole position take profit. If you go to the signal and you see the whole position take profit is what? 3%. Take profit is 3%. You just add 100 and you can see the price, the entry price, which is the preset price. The preset price is the entry price. The entry price is what? 0.1695. You just go to your calculator, add 100 to the 3%, which is the whole take profit. When you add 100 to 3, it gives you 103%. Multiply by the entry price, which is 0.1695, it gives you 0.1745. Then you go back to your trading view. The second line that you want to use to know if the trade has delivered or not. The second line is what you pay attention to, right? Pay attention to. The second line is what you pay attention to. You see it? When you tap on it, when you place it, let me remove this. When you place the second line, you just go, place the second line, then you tap on it, tap on it, tap on the 3 dots, scroll down, tap on setting, go to coordinate 0.1745. That's it. You arrange set. It means that from the point of which the signal was delivered, was shared on the group, right? No any candle from this vertical line, you can see no any candle go beyond this. That means it has not delivered, right? You can just go pick your price range, measure from here. You see it, this is now the current price. Measure from here to the take profit. If you like, you can use 3. If you like, you can do 1.5%. It's up to you. Because it has not come to this place, it has not gone past this line, it's fine. You can trade it. If you like, you can do 2%. If it delivers, you go back and check if it has delivered. It's up to you. If you like, take 1.5%. Once it delivers and go down again, you come and check. If it has not delivered, go back and place your trade. If you find it here, let's say the current price is here, you see it's here, maybe you find it here, I say maybe you find the current price here, you can see you measure to this place, you see 1.8%, and you go as long as it does not go. Once you go past that line, ignore the signal. That's just it. So the fundamental I want to talk about, pay attention to 4 fundamental, 4 to 6 or 7 fundamental, but pay attention to 4. We have the interest rate, we have the unemployment rate, we have the non-farm employment, non-farm payroll, which is non-job data, and we have the CPI, Consumer Price Index, US interest rate, CPI, US Consumer Price Index, US unemployment rate, and lastly, US job data or non-farm pay employment, non-farm, no, that's just job data. You can find it on the website referred to as www.cryptocraft.com. When you go there, you will see the date of announcement. What is happening in the market is the interest rate, US interest rate is being paused right from last year, towards the end of last year. It has not gone down. So if the interest rate is paused, it's not making people putting money on people's hand, meaning that giving people access to loan, big money that they can get and come into cryptocurrency or invest in other businesses. When the interest rate is going up, it takes money out of people's hand. Well, how does it do that? Companies that are currently running, that borrowed money from the bank, if the interest rate is going up, they will quickly want to pay back that money. If they are paying back that money, they cannot pay salaries. That is why they will keep laying off workers. That's what the high interest rate costs. It makes companies to sack workers because they will not be able to manage the numbers of workers they have. right? And when they sack workers, as they are producing, the volume of production will go down, which will make price to go up. That is where you see CPI will be going up too. Unemployment rate will go up because as they are sacking workers, unemployment rate will be going up if interest rate is going up. So we need it to go down so that it will give access to people money for them to come and buy this coin for the price to go up. Bitcoin cannot just go up like that. It's people that buy Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin goes up, every other coin will go up. I hope you get. This is just the fundamental. Focused on interest rate, consumer price index, unemployment rate, and job data. 4. There are other ones, PPI, right? PPI, but focus on these 4. These 4 really shakes the market, positively or negatively. So far, the US does not have any choice than to increase it. They cannot increase it. It's either they pause it or bring it down. They don't have a choice. But they don't want to bring it down, they pause it. That's why you see it at 4.5 or 4.7. So you're still waiting for the next announcement. Once it goes down, you see the market pump. 2nd of April is when the tariff that the Trump has enacted. Every company that import and export. So there's some tariff that he has adjusted starting 2nd of April. Let's see if that will also affect the market positively or negatively. But most importantly is for this interest rate to go down. All right, so if you have any question, we can do this next time, 9 p.m. and show you attend Zoom session. Okay, so that's the Signal channel. You can join from there. No, TradingView is not connected to RoyalQ, my brother. No problem. King Gentle. You will get the video. You will get the video shared on the group. It will be shared on the group. Don't worry, King Gentle. The group you got this Zoom link from, this video will be shared. The recording will be shared. This is for newbie. This session is for newbie that just activated their bot. So in the absence of no question, thank you for your presence. We appreciate your presence. You must ensure, if you really want to go far in this business will change your life. There is no doubt about it. But the question is, are you ready to do what you need to do for it to change your life? The person talking to you, I, Coach Salisu, it has changed my life. As I'm talking to you now, I have time freedom, I have location freedom, I have financial freedom. These 3 things I have it. On Monday, next tomorrow now, people will be rushing to work. I have my office in my house. I do this full time, not part time. It's paying me. But I gave this business 4 years before it started paying. 3 years. On the 3rd year, it started paying me because of my efforts. But this, I am 4 years old, and this you'll be 5 years old now, since 2021. You too can also do it. But the question is, most people don't want to put in the work and they want to make money. They are Ponzi mindset. If you're the kind of person that you think you can just activate your body, you don't want to do anything. You don't want to watch videos to learn about the business. You don't want to understand the business. You don't want to understand the parameters in RoyalQ, and you want to make money. You can do that by getting somebody to manage your account. That's another way. But as long as you want to make this money, you want to make it yourself. You want to make it yourself. You must put in your head and learn this thing. The best thing that happened to humanity is the coming of Satoshi Nakamoto. He was the one that God put in his mind to create Bitcoin. And from there, every other coin came. God knows that everybody cannot get a job. That is why he put it in the mind of Satoshi Nakamoto to create trading, cryptocurrency trading. Because Forex people, if you don't have the skill, you will lose money. So he created something like Bitcoin where you can spot market. Now God has given you a smartphone, has given you internet. You have a smartphone and internet, you are still broke. It means you are ignorant. You need knowledge. So if you have an internet and smartphone, God gave you everything. then what still are you still looking for? You're still looking for the money that God has given to you. You need knowledge. That's why you need to be consistent. All right. Site name. The website is www.cryptocraft. www.cryptocraft.com. Cryptocraft.com. Cryptocraft. That's where you check fundamental news. Cryptocraft.com. I've sent it on the chat. If I'm not mistaken, that's how the spelling is. That's how where you can go and check for Cryptocraft. Yes, I've just sent the website, cryptocraft.com. So you go and assess the fundamental, the time of announcement, and so on and so forth. Okay, I can see Anthony. Anthony, type your question on the chat. I'll not allow you to talk. Just type it on the chat. We want to end the session. King Anthony, type the question on the chat. Type your question on the chat. If you don't want to type it on the chat, then we'll call it a day. I don't want this session to be long. I don't want it to go past 1 hour so that people will be able to watch it to the end. For those that are absent, type your question on the chat. Okay, I can see you don't want to type your question on the chat, Anthony. Anthony, type your question on the chat. How can one trade with the bot? I just show you how you can pick a trade. If you are a newbie, a video, step-by-step video will be shared with you, right? After you've come and checked for the signal, a video will guide you on how you can place the trade. I'm going to share the video on how you can place the trade, right? No, there is no time. Anytime, long and short time frame entry. If you have gone past time, you can see King Anthony has thrown. King Anthony has gone beyond trading without analysis. He has gone to learn the two indicator tactics, long term payment. King Anthony, anytime, but I prefer picking trades. For me, it's up to you. Choose anytime. I don't need to tell you which time. Anytime you feel is okay for you. Make sure when you're looking for a trade, right? When you're looking for a trade, it's good if you can even look for the trade between 8 a.m. Nigerian time to 11 a.m. Nigerian time, or 1 p.m. Nigerian time to 4 p.m. Nigerian time. You can look for a trade within that time. Trade within that time is good enough. If you see entry, pick it and pull the trigger, as long as the conditions are met. It's on the trading view. I just show you. Don't worry, King Wisdom. The video will be shared again. You will share the recording will be shared on the group. Watch it again. You will see where I'm referring to minus 3% or 4%. Don't worry. The video will be shared. The recorded session will be shared. Right? I think we're done from this end. All right. So ensure you stay close to get the video in order to share with your team member that have not one. Okay. Another thing, King Anthony, ask a question before we end the session. All right. Go on, King Anthony. King Anthony, go on. Okay, so I can see King Anthony, you don't want to type. You don't want to type your question. I'm going to end the session now. All right. All right, so King Anthony, thank you for your gratification, King Lucky. King Anthony, I can see your question. It shows that you don't have any. You say you have another thing I want to ask. King Anthony, I can see you don't have a question again. So don't worry, if you still watch the recording, if you have any question, next week we meet, we'll run it again. Thank you. Okay, when I watched Coach Welch's video on short-term entry, he used the price range to pick the trade from current price. Yes, that's when this is not a strategy. This is not two indicator tactics, my brother King Anthony. This is change percent tactics where you don't need indicator to pick a trade. It is because he has gone beyond this, what I thought. He has gone beyond to teach you the two indicator tactics. That's why he's using price range to measure. Here, you are not using any indicator. You are not even trading candles. You are just using lines to know signals because you are a newbie that just activated your boat. That is not what is your focus on making money with just these simple tactics. Keep indicators, keep trend line, keep everything aside. This is what you should learn first. This is our recommendation at TMI. Exclusively for those 25 coins that were shared. Bashir, maybe you will share the chart, 25 coins on the chart. Share it before I end the call because some people are not in that group. 300 days, if you're not in 300 days challenge group or African Reloaded, don't worry, the video will be shared. Bashir, please help me share the 25 volatile coin, the updated 25 volatile coin list. Share it on the chat. Or Queen Jennifer, if you have it handy, share it on the chat. I want to know that what exit price I will go to use that exit price when it's setting. No. We are not talking about 2 indicator tactics. We are not talking about long-term frame and theory. This is change percent tactics. This is change percent tactics. You don't need indicator. You don't need anything. You just look at numbers. And just go and watch King Anthony. It seems like you are focusing more on the 2 indicator tactics. This is not 2 indicator tactics. No, this is not. All right. Bashir, please, can you help me to share, or Queen Jennifer, if you have the 25 volatile coin, please do share it on the chat just to help people to add it to their trading view. Drop it on the chat. All right, so I think I have it handy. Maybe you guys are not close. Let me.
I dropped it on the chat now.
Okay. All right. I can see. I'm not seeing it. That's what I'm saying. If you have dropped it on the chat, it's fine. So King Bashir have dropped I've not seen it, King Bashir. All right, as a newbie, I've not seen it, King Bashir. Okay, let me go. Okay, let me just add it myself for those. So you can see the 25 volatile coin on the chart. Okay, he has dropped it. That's it. Those are the coins you need to add to your trading view. As a newbie that just activates your boat and this is your first time of trading, this is our recommendation. There are more than 1,001 ways of taking coins. This is just our recommendation as Royal QT Motion International. There are plenty ways of taking trade. The goal is for you to make money. Anyone you feel you're okay with, go and use it and keep making money. But the most important thing, understand it before you use it. Don't just go and start using tactics when you don't understand it. Like, I'm going to end this session with the words of Warren Buffett. He says that don't invest in what you don't know, what you cannot understand. I think that's what he said. He's saying that you should not invest in what you don't understand. See it? He said, never invest in a business you cannot understand. Right? You must understand the business before you invest. This is Warren Buffett, top 10 richest man on earth. Invest in Royal Q. Understand it before you start. Most importantly, you need to know is your money is 100% in your custody. You don't give anybody your money. And you don't lose money because you're trading spot market. Right? Sometimes coin might be delisted. We'll tell you which coin to buy in order to recover your money back. So thank you very much for your presence. See you next time, same time. Bye, everyone.